And we're back. Okay. Nice Scots original. This is one of the guest quarters bedrooms. Has a little walk-in closet, old school ironing board, pretty fun. Guest bath. These little balconies off the front of the bedrooms. And then there's obviously a linen here. Okay, we'll go over to the master primary suite, if you like. This fixture is more than likely original. I just can't, the bulbs have burned out. Walk-in closet, which is original. Leads out to another balcony area. And these are the steps that we were at before from downstairs. Beautiful. Okay, let's see what's so this is the primary bedroom with built-ins. This would have views of downtown, the lights. There's screens on the doors you can't really see, but that's all downtown from what you can see here. And lastly, this is the primary bathroom. I love the black and white diamond tile. That looks cool. Okay. Thank you for allowing me to show you through the tour. And if you have any questions or want to see it in person, it'd be my honor to show it to you. My name is Kurt. I'm with Russ, Lyon, Sotheby's, Scottsdale. I'm at 480-203-3704. And online you can find me at kurtmboyd.com. That's my email, and kurtmboyd.com is obviously the website. So thank you very much for enjoying, and I hope you have a wonderful night tonight and a better and beautiful day tomorrow.